Give me some big cat go my yard. I will like here.
Man, yeah, there's tons.
Even
little ones, big ones.
Yeah, we come on there, so we look up there.
Wow, this is just getting crazier and crazier. Little time lapse action. I hear a drone. Man.
But Joe never picked me up. Joe never go down there, so Joe never seen it now. New moon.
Yeah, it's tiny. You can barely see it.
Half moon, you know, woman sick.
Is that what it means?
Yeah, man. At this time, you can't give woman a check. And I will have them sick, you know. Some sick pound go on full moon. Half moon. Quarter moon. New moon, you know. Some of them up there I know, you know. Me have a woman a missing moon. I have to allow them for 7 days first, brother. Yeah, man. Me them good you know, but I don't eat from them, nothing. Wait till these 7 days. If I want to hook them up and give a pick, me hook them up in 7 days and give a ras, boy or a girl. Yeah, man. Fire leak shot wicked, you know. Yeah, man. No, this time it's pure girls right around the fucking world. No, it's pure girls in this new moon. Pure, nice, beautiful girls. In the dark night now, the full moon is pure man. But now it's pure girls. Every time now it's pure girl. Depends on how the woman seeing flowers, you know. But now the new moon, even though you put out a goat now, it's pure woman one you get. In the dark night, a pure man. You put out goat now too, and cow now, a pure heifer you get, woman cow. Everything just rule, you know. You know, by the nature, you know. I man beam same way, you know. Yeah, man.
Hi.
Yeah, hi. I see hi.
And the view just keeps getting crazy.
Whoa, this sun, you know, looking blood teeth, I go down there.
I don't know, we've been hanging out here all day. Like, we've been literally just watching the different clouds roll in, and it rained a few times, and like every time I turn around, it's a different setup. It's a really great place. Which one? Oh, right beside me.
Man, them pretty bloom there.
Yeah.
Sooner or later, the whole all them places. Parado you sit down and the breeze a blow. It pack it up with pure guinea grass, man. Yeah, man. I think when blow, you know, they're fine, you know. You see how they fine? When they dry, they light.
Getting their seeds out. Man, this is just...
And people that got no plan in there, man. They can't work, yeah, man. They're not doing it, so they shouldn't do it. They ain't skilled. They shouldn't make most of the place. And enough of them shouldn't up there, so. Enough of them shouldn't spread out and they don't want to different places. And with certain time, they come up and come perform. Man. Wow. Ship there, sit down on ocean there. How much we see already? 5 out there?
Yeah, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A couple on the port too. I don't know if I can get that far on this phone. Can I?
I walk right there, so. It seems like the cement factory, right?
Yeah.
There, so. Where we driving coming from. When we are coming out of the airport are over the other side, you know. You see that?
Yeah.
Out there, so.
Wait on the, like, across the water, and then over there, yeah.
And down there, so.
Norman
at the flower factory. Down on the hands there. Where you see that, like, the long boat there, the long piece. Gone that way there.
Is that Portmore around that side of the bay there, too?
No.
Or it's farther around?
Portmore then go so. But at Portmore then got one little bit of highland over there, man. When place me don't want to go over them place. You know?
So did you know what these
What's that?
these kind of plants are with the pods on them?
What?
The little circle?
That's what I'm asking about. Hey, is your hummingbird there?
Yeah.
Fucking good I get catch. Certain.
I hope I got it.
Good.
We'll see. There'll be more tomorrow.
See more there? Little ones you want to get catching it, you see me? Little tiny one.
He's so small.
Yeah, well a bigger one that means he go across here. Long tail one. See him where you down there, so?
Oh.
The tall tail one.
I can only see the little one right now.
You know, see the tall tail one behind the banana down there, so much. You see him? See him where down there, so? And with the banana tree there right just in front of us, man. See him fly there.
Crazy.
Then come up by him time, you know. Come feed, you know. See him there?
Yeah.
And there,
Way in the back. Yeah, there he is. He's got a crazy tail on him.
Yeah, long tail one, that one.
Man.
Different type of them, you know, man. I got the black one, you know.
Is that them making this song right now?
Yeah, man. Twing, twing. Ding, 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 ding.
Hummingbird style.
Hummingbird style. Ding, 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 ding. we make all kind of sound. We want to hear hummingbird sound. Ting, ting. Ting, ting. Like,
They're
ting,
everywhere.
ting.
There's a lot more than we can see.
Yeah, man. You can't make a lot of CD, man.
And
Yeah, there.
look at this cloud now. It's just bam. Oh, this is gonna look good because the sun's about to get covered up. Be a whole new style. You got some
Big grass one up the top there.
wow.
The Jones, sir. It look big, eh? On a distance.
From here, yeah.
Yeah. That's
It's
because
one of the smaller ones they make though, but it's still wicked.
it's mad. Ratty like it, you see.
Ratty can fly the thing. It's so awesome.
Man, yeah, that's what you want. Ratty that mash up the whole place with it, man, so till it gets fucked. That man don't eat that, man. People say, oh, Ratty, what you want? So you know what you carry? Carry a Jones. Expensive thing on the Ratty. Ratty like those things.
Wow, look
What
at
the-
it red up over there.
Man, the sun down there.
Uh-huh.
Mad thing up here, man. Mad thing up here, man. Trust me. Fuck.
I just it
God, yes.
doesn't get old, man. Really, this is like one of
One of
most
the best,
insane
the
sunsets.
best blood clot picture you ever get up here. Picture back home and see all your bars or what you got your ass.
I got such a good one though last night. That the clouds ripping, it was killer. But this is really crazy. Like, come on. It actually looks pretty good on this iPhone 7.
Mad thing. Remember me tell you.
Man, this is crazy. Oops. I was gonna come over there and chat with you on camera, but I see you're doing something.
You know arrowroot, right?
Yeah, we used to have it in like biscuits as kids. Arrowroot stuff.
And it's the best porridge, you know.
Yeah. I gotta put that on the list too, man, because we didn't do that one yet.
Yeah, arrowroot porridge.
Yeah.
Mad to blood. I don't know if we can find none of the yard if it's perform a show. Or Dirt never go half.
Yeah, that'd be a really good one.
Half Dirt, man.
Are those all pear up there too?
Huh?
Up there, so pear.
Yeah, few than them at you.
Man, you're huge. Look at the avocados.
My God.
Those are big, man.
Man, they are everything as a man. No one talk about you for coming out this series. In a Blue Mountain, come and talk about and give thanks and praises to the people up here, you know?
Yeah.
When you find me, you will got the people. But without you don't find me, you don't got the people. Jamaica is the foundation. Number one. And you have to go tell him ugly teeth, peacock, you stop and fuck with the people them. Because nothing not going to work out good at Bumbleclad. Trust me. Too fucked up, man. We want the thing to run smooth. Huh?
Are you talking about your yard? Which house? All right, so the time lapse ended. Creating video. It's still going. I wish I said it for longer. It's getting even crazier down here.
Man.
That is wicked too. Everything. A bumbleclot indeed. If this doesn't make you want to come to Jamaica, I don't know what to tell you. Man. Yes.
And a good pier.
Surrounded by.
The good Avocado with the right underneath it now. You can see it? This is the flower. But sooner or later, the pear comes out. But this Avocado tree got a turn 3 different crops. We are down in a February, January, May, same way. Avocado still up there. Look, people know if you look what go on and ask much question, you know. This is the young one. You see that? Yeah, this is the young little teeny one. I want to do ask about me jewelry. I'm there for give instruction. Fuck are you? Yeah, man.
Yeah, right.
Flower. Hey, Matthew. You know, people that got pear to eat, you know, the whole line of the whole year, you know.
Yeah.
Because look, Matthew, this one young crop, this are coming, you know, this. And this one are full before this.
Man, my friend Brad in Australia had a big pear tree on his father-in-law's property. It would bear so much, there's no way they could eat it all. So he used to put them in a crate, take them to the Mexican restaurant in town, and just trade it for credit at this Mexican place. So we'd go in with like 12 of his friends, all the free like beers you want, all the Mexican food, all the guacamole, all the tacos. Like they just load them up with like so much money, just trading avocados for it. It was awesome.
We have the most Avocado here. Look, all in the big one there. They maybe use all this month coming.
Yeah.
There's bigger one.
There's
that
huge
one.
one.
Yeah,
Look at that one.
Yeah, man. Say that one about 5 different crops appear. This pear tree is round the clock. You can get Avocado here so 24/7. It don't have no special season. It have 5 different crop appear going on right now.
So awesome.
Man, unbelievable.
And more bud. Like it's got so many flowers and buds.
Listen, Matthew, this is the next young one, right? After this one, then you this one. This one come.
Every different size.
Yeah, man. Every different size I have. That's why I like the pear. And then some heart. They some heart. They have something to pick them also too. But when they fall, they just left them and they fall in the grass. They soft.
Protects.
Yeah, protect them.
That is smart. Is that just grass? That's not a crop of any kind.
Grass,
That's just
guinea grass.
Oh, that's the guinea. Okay.
Guinea grass, yeah. One day we boil some tea and drink.
Nice.
Yeah, guinea grass.
All right, let's see.
And this one, we call it, we used to call it as kid, buck sharp. We feed this one with the guinea pigs.
Oh, yeah?
Every day the guinea pig weak. And this one is Spanish niggle. This one also can eat too when it's younger. It can steam like callaloo and spinach.
Wow.
When it's young. And also this one is hyle nut, where they use and make gel for all the nice girls' hairs who doing here. This is the natural gel, to make the natural gel for hair. This is hyle nuts. You say it look beautiful? This is for protection of hairs. All your skin. All if you drink it, If your belly feel hard and you drink a drink of this, whoa, it's clean you out, man, free out. And it have the pad also, a little pad. If you just eat one of them, you shit like hell.
Good to know.
Yeah, clean you out. This. Anything bad thing you have in your belly, this one, I'll not take it out of you. I'll not.
All right.
Clean you and build you out.
I'm glad I don't need oil nut today.
No, you can't have no money, man. I can't near people a bathroom, man. But we can't run. Certain things when we go out, we can't even use that. But we not, I know something to eat, this in a matter. It will come with the fruits, yeah? This will come with the fruits. And this fruit, no? This fruit, this fruit, you are going to pick it. Will come up out there. Be enough. You get a lot big bungle. I used to pick it, give the girl them down sunny letter to put in their ear. Make their ear shiny, but me not use it.
Your hair is already shiny.
Yeah. Use olive oil.
Okay.
Olive oil, all them virgin olive oil, yeah? Natural coconut oil and all this.
Well, should we head up and hear some drumming? All right. I'm going to check this shot here. It is looking good to me. It's still going. Oh, man. Man, I like that. I like that shot. And speed it up a bit, maybe, but. Grabba? Yeah, I'll try a little bit. Why not?
Wild grabba this.
I told you, it gives me a head buzz pretty quick, but.
This is the wild one, you know. And a good one.
It's not good?
Yeah, man. Well, this one, let me tell you, is good for stomach, you know. With these big, beautiful blooms.
Well, if you have the good one already, then.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I won't bother.
This is one of the boiled tea for stomach. They say for asthma. But I never drink it, you know. I only hear people recommend it, you know. But I maybe want to hear some more detail about this wild grabba.
How does it smell?
You know? It can smell like tobacco. Yeah, the natural tobacco.